Namaste, viewers. Welcome to Jaipur Dialogue Short, USA element. So, wanted to just quickly comment upon today's, Supreme Court judgment rejecting the transfer of case of Nupur Sharma to Supreme Court. But what was important, that legality apart, was one of the Chief Justices issued a very direct personal comment, personal opinion on Nupur Sharma. And it is important for us to figure that out because it is personal to the extent that Supreme Court judges may have their personal opinion, absolutely sure, but they have to be blind about the justice part of it. To make a comment that it was an irresponsible statement, that she was single-handedly responsible for all that happened, and that her apology came too late, and that power had gone to her head. And this is really, really remarkable. This is truly remarkable because Supreme Court judges are not supposed to comment. You can have your personal opinion, but not airing it in public, virtually castigating an issue and passing a judgment on moral and ethical elements without, and that's a key part, without mentioning the provocation, without mentioning the fact that Nupur Sharma stated a fact. Now, Nupur Sharma has become a global entity today. I do not think she was looking for that. And I don't think she even wanted it. In all fairness to her, she was only responding to a vile comment made by other television commentator. Did she say a lie? Maybe this Supreme Court judge ought to have also said, did Nupur Sharma tell a lie? And that's the important part. This is virtually, in the opinion of one judge, he is imposing that blasphemy exists in a free society, that you cannot talk about the obvious flagration in a text that talks about killing you and I. The judge didn't have time for that. This is the important part. I mean, we can talk about this for all day long, but the only thing is that in democracy, you have the opportunity to redress the issue. And I believe a case has been filed to withdraw the personal opinion of the judge. And I think people like that must be excluded. They must expunge themselves, must commit that I don't want to sit on the judge on this case at all. So there are two elements, personal opinion and the legal opinion. The judge may be right in totally that this case will not be transferred to Supreme Court. That was a legal scenario, which is okay. But to have said what he said, that it was an irresponsible statement, without commenting on the other side. If you want to drive justice is blind, and the scale of justice is to look at both sides balanced, where is the balanced commentary on this element? Because, she did not invent the elements or the fact that she quoted in her TV debate. This also points out to us because, at this moment, what we are seeing is, and I'm angry about it, is the obvious cheer haran going on of Draupadi in the battle, in the courts, literally speaking, in the court, where the cheer haran is going off the Draupadi and all the Pandavas are keeping quiet. This is the time. Never before was the statement of Swami Vivekananda more relevant. Arise, awaken, and assert, and then act. It's time for all of us to join hands to fight the injustice. Fight the injustice because it's critical for our survival at this point in time. With these words, I want to say thank you. Have a great weekend. And like, subscribe to the channel. Support us, Jaipur Dialogue and Jaipur Dialogue USA. Thank you. Satyamev Jayate. Thank you.